This is just one way of rearranging the toolbox in GIMP 2.6. I think it makes it more convenient, but really it's a personal choice. There it is in Windows XP, the standard layout that you get. Remember, you can move these windows, resize the windows by clicking and dragging. But what I want to do is I'm going to start by closing all these tabs. And if you go to the little button at the side, you can close each tab in turn. So that's that gone. Now what I'm going to do is click on one of the tabs and drag across, and the target area is very small. You can just see it change there. Release, and it tacks a new box onto the end of the toolbox. Now then, you can now just drag the tabs across to this new box and they'll set themselves there. I don't want the undo history, so I'm going to close that one. Now I've just got the one toolbox plus the image window, and resizing things a little bit. Now I'm going to start adding the tabs that I removed. So we can go to Add Tab, and of course we want the brushes. Again, and we want gradients. Add tab, and we want the third one, which was, what was it? It was patterns. There. So now we have a row of tabs underneath the tool properties. You can drag and move them around. I like to have the brushes somewhere near the left to make it easy for myself. There, that'll do for the demonstration. So now we have a brush, we've got the properties, and we've got the brushes all shown adjacent to each other. Same if you go to the gradient, say there's gradient properties and the available gradients. Now I think it makes it slightly more convenient. It's up to you.